Hello guys, thank you so much for participating in my experiment. For the experiment, you will play two simple games. After each game, you'll be asked to fill in a small questionnaire. In total, the experiment will take around 40 minutes of your time. This is a brief overview of the timeline. First, I will walk you through the instructions of the game. Then you will play part 1, the game and afterwards the survey. Then you will play part 2, which is also a 15-minute game and then a 2-minute questionnaire. And then you're done. Now I will briefly walk you through the game instructions, so sit back and enjoy. Is the game setting. You see 3 racks, A, B and C. In each of the boxes, office supplies are stored. For example, pencils, notebooks and highlighters. You have to pick these items according to your pick list and drag them from the box into the blue picking cart. The goal of the game is to pick as many orders as possible. Important is that you pick them as accurately as possible too, so without errors. An order is displayed at the pick list. In the header of the pick list you see 2 numbers. The first one indicates the order line you are currently picking. The second number indicates the number of order lines in total in this order, in this case 4. The first order line shows me that I have to pick from location B2.3. Apparently, this box contains orange pencils. The number in the end of the order line indicates the number of pencils that you have to pick. In this case, 3. So, let's try to pick this order line. To pick, click on the box and drag the item from the box into the cart. As you see, there are orange pencils on this location. We're going to pick one more, as we have to pick 3 in total. Now we have picked this order line. We are now going to click the button on the left bottom, Next Order Line. It is important to click this button before continuing. Now I see that the second order line is displayed. We're also going to pick this line. So let's pick from location C2.1 5 orange notebooks. We're dragging them from the box into the picking cart. Now that I've finished this order line as well, I'm going back to the button Next Order Line, and I see that now the third order line of this order is indicated. We're going to pick a yellow notebook. And I'm pressing the button Next Order Line again. Now I see that I have arrived at the final order line of this order, 4 out of 4. I'm going to pick from location C3.3. Now that I've finished completing this order, I'm turning to the button on the right bottom of the screen, Next Order. When I press this button, I see that a new order has popped up. This order consists of 3 order lines. The counter on the top indicates that I have completed 1 order. We also see that the remaining time in the top right corner. We have to continue picking until this timer hits 0. Please note that you cannot pause the game. One last note. The best 3 participants in the experiment will each get a €20 cash reward. This is based on the number of orders you complete and on your accuracy. Now I will show you how to proceed. After watching this tutorial video, you will see this page in the questionnaire. Paste the link into another tab of your browser. You will have a login page and then you will see this instruction page. Click on the blue arrows below to have the player on full screen. You will then see the instructions and you will play a small tutorial to get you acquainted. Click the button Go to the tutorial to proceed. you will see a countdown clock so you can get ready, and then a new order will display. In this tutorial there will only be 2 orders, so go over the orders. For this video I just skipped through them, but please go over them. And once you're done you will see no more orders. Then you can click the blue button, continue to the real game, to go to the actual game. Please note that this game starts immediately. So, if you're ready, go to the next page, paste it in your web browser and have fun playing the game.